My name is Michael Smith. I am in the Autobody program at Alfred State College, and I'm from Naples, New York. For me, I definitely like being hands-on. I'm definitely not somebody that takes everything from a classroom. I mean, some stuff, but you really can't get the experience like you do here. Definitely getting the hands-on, you definitely learn more, you experience it, you know exactly what's gonna happen. It's just something that's gonna catch you up for the real world, so when you go into an auto body industry, when you get a real job that's gonna start paying you good money, you're not just completely stumped, you don't know what you're doing, you've already done it before. It gives me a great set of a great accomplishment when I see a vehicle enter the shop and it's completely smashed, mangled, undrivable, and within just a few months our whole entire class comes together and we make the vehicle driving again. We send it through an inspection, it is 110% safe. And just knowing that our class can do it, no problem, we have all the tools available, we have all the teachers available, and just knowing that when the vehicle comes in, when it came from a smashed little crumpled box that any insurance company would have just totaled right out, and we make it look brand new again, we go through every single detail, and we make sure that it's 110% when it leaves the shop.
Hit the ground running, hit the ground running.